the program today, they go the program and good money from Benin. You need to do, you know, say once they anything they do here, they put the pot for fire, make it cook and done well before we serve you the food, so that you know we'll get an issue. Because we know say that man talk and say Eba when you say no need help from soup, how the Eba won't work. They go always there to get that. This morning we see very big traffic congestion for Benin, this Benin Lagos road here, and we get feelers to say heavy go slow there. We'll talk about that matter. And with the tell they tell you now, so kind of be say the reach us from Etsako Central local government area, not be a good one at all. We'll still talk about that one. But we'll quick talk about this road when it be say yes, say day here, Benin Lagos road. But it don't not comment tonight be that now.
Yeah.
You see one accident when we say it happened there this morning. We're going to show an accident at the Acadigo. Accident when we say it happened there this morning. It don't cost heavy go slow there.
Yeah.
And the rest. So now the accident be this one, we could take picture. The person when we say yes, make it go there, make it go help us get the picture, and the pictures the one we say it get accident happen, now be this one. What are they tell you now? The go slow when we say they for that place, that's what they talk now. Not be here at all. As that man they talk now there. So we have say, how the thing take happen?
Because when I read there this morning, waiting I see there, it be like say this truck is poor for there yesterday, and this motor go run enter, and this Audi car will run enter this truck, so now plantain. Now he carry.
Where the plantain?
You see the pieces.
Okay, they for back.
They see the piece of the plantain, but so far when I took my eye go inside the bus, inside the car, I don't see any blood. She'll say nobody die, but nobody die for inside this.
If you pet, if it die, no see blood.
Must blood come out.
Because of the way the blood.
Maybe you don't see any kind of injury.
In the area where me want look, if you see this truck not supposed to dey road again. The condition of this truck, it's not supposed to dey road. You see one side now, no door. But now truck where be say that they carry dirty. You understand? But how this kind of truck, this kind of motor go still dey road? No plate number, no bumper for front, nothing. Everything be nyaga. But you know some of these Audi cars, some of them know they get light, good light. But I don't know what they do.
And the blast time for 90 happen.
This car, now, if you even watch the front where the truck, it be like say you don't even get headlights.
You know what it means?
But what the road safety code they do? Where our VIO?
Now two things now I like to talk here. First, if motor spoil, we not just make motor no spoil. Motor they feel they spoil for road. But the truth be say, I don't see anything like cautious sign.
You know they.
You know understand, my brother Hilary. Cautious sign no dey na to show this kind motor when it's spoil dey for road though, make person know how you go take pass. And besides, now this kind of motor now government go see me they carry dirty. This kind of motor.
Now private now.
Even though private now, not because of approval.
And then they pass our road.
You understand? So what do they do? This kind of one if you carry the thing before you carry show, you say the car they got the dirty to for road.
Got to wait for road.
Anyway, that will not be the issue now. The most important issue now be say this kind of vehicle, as far as it's spoil for road, therefore put cautious sign. Number one. Number two, you know, unless maybe the night is spoiled, I don't know what is spoiled though, they will put cautious sign. Show say this kind of vehicle they for front, make person they very careful when they drive the comp. That time they don't feel carry and come off for road. Number two. Number three, which is very, very important, be say one, even the vehicle that we are talking about, like Victor rightly said, I don't see many of them are not roadworthy at all. Both the Audi when they carry the plantain and the one will be say this thing. You understand? So we need to check all of these things.
My brother Thomas.
And if you see, Mark, if you see the go slow for this road now,
not be small,
very tight go slow. When they go remove because now by we now community here by which place?
Now meat where they don't know how to chop. Meat where they know they chop. And they don't know how to busha. If you are good in eating entelo,
well, for you not to busha.
If you are good in eating grass cutter, you must know how
to. Even not to eat chicken.
You must know how to busha. With the one they copycat last month for Lagos. All praise to the government of Lagos. Successively, where they don't take structure last month. Lagos State Traffic Management Agency. Where don't put on their toes federal road safety in Lagos.
Yes.
Traffic unit of the Nigerian Police, Lagos Command.
Yes.
Because the blueprint was do traffic walk as you supposed to do traffic walk.
Fine.
Who tell you say Luxurious motor supposed to spoil for road and you leave am for Central Road?
For Lagos.
Go leave am for Central Road.
No, wait first now.
Okay, I dey come.
Okay, I dey hear
If I
you.
make talk, I know where
I dey with you.
Allow me.
I know hold you.
Because they pay me, bros. Our work, they take us into the dark night. How would they go out? If you are not careful,
The story
you
will
will
change.
fall victim of this Audi.
Yes.
Because
They are-
vehicle is poor.
they are-
Not be tireless, not be your shaft pull. We don see situation say motor go dey overheat. For a driver to pull over,
No, pull over.
he go leave motor for center
Set
go
up.
open bonnet.
No. Waiting.
I no wan say if I become a governor, because
If
I
you
no
do
think
pass,
say na wetin I wan, na my calling be that. The indiscipline of our road users is too much because we have a government who dey show lackadaisical attitude.
No, who get human feeling.
No,
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 Can you talk now?
Oga, no dey use white paint dey rub yellow.
I want to remind you. I want to remind you what you talk.
Wait,
Say
I
government is supposed to get compassionate. And the compassion they show so that.
No, hold on. For destruction of buildings wey hundreds of millions, na you say on thousands of millions,
Hundreds of
millions, take erect. I always say yes.
Make government they show compassion.
For that kind of
Okay, you not talking for that kind.
No. You don't use all the old bush they turn to snake.
You say make government they show compassion.
Papa, hold on.
That government show compassion too.
For that
Wait.
okay, are you not telling me now say the only traffic offence? Because the only traffic offence where Edo State S-man know now who beat traffic light. That's the only traffic offence. They are yet to know say when the driver is driving and he hold phone for hand, they drive. It's an offence. Say as a driver, you put baby for your leg.
They drive.
It's an offence. Or as a driver, you carry woman wey get belle for front seat. It's an offence.
Yes.
Or you carry woman wey carry baby for front seat. It's an offence.
Yes.
I doubt whether S-man know.
Okay.
Say your motor spoil. You leave the motor for center of road, whether caution sign or no caution sign. You are endangering the lives of other people.
Yes.
Na be wetin happen so. Their owner just so run, you run, motor beat like you dey let dey pursue the motor. Like say we dey 1921.
The Olympic. No, they run Olympics.
You dey.
Maybe they carry some of them go they do.
Una go grow up because this state cannot continue like this. ESMA, I no wan dey call police because na the fence wey fall. Na him say make small goat come dey do say na climber. Make he go climb prison fence for Lagos for
Saple Road
or for Oko. May whether he go fit climb. Na the nonchalancy of the traffic unit of Nigeria Police Edo State Command na him bring about all this proliferation of traffic managers. I bring about ESMA. So if ESMA now want to re-say na last man, na he come teach them job, na he come invest dem teach them how to do work, make dem learn, make dem do the work.
Okay.
Because we cannot be losing lives like this.
Okay, no problem. Life and property, even property too.
Abba.
And now to fixing our food produce, I be farm produce, now be say they go bring.
Yes.
Don't do that. But one of that thing when they let us they know. I stuck one thing when they say no quote me. I said I don't know when this thing take happen. You know understand? And I believe say it happen overnight. I don't know wait now. I believe say it happen overnight because that place na my route. I dey pass there. When I passed there yesterday, it wasn't there.
And so which time you take pass that place?
I passed around that after 6 yesterday.
After 6.
Yes.
Never.
I'm not taking notice of it. I'm not seeing.
You not take notice of it.
I not see
I
am.
have to say na the night it happen.
Now, I say maybe I don't know.
Brother,
but what I try to talk,
Thomas,
wait now, what I try to talk to say, one, the caution sign, this vehicle is spoil for road.
Yeah.
But this one, like you talk, tire no burst, the leg no bend.
You not pull off.
You not pull
Shaft
off.
not pull off.
Yes, then maybe they for fit push am.
Push it
Come
to
out.
the side.
Maybe you
of
wait
the road.
now. Maybe they for fit push am come out. Even if they no fit push am come out. I talk and say yes, say cautious sign because we know say if vehicle spoil, they don't fit carry come out for road. We don't know the kind spoil now.
Yes,
Put cautious sign. I didn't see any sign of cautious sign there. That's another thing when we say it's still there. And that apart, we don't even know the state of this Audi. Because secondly too, if you know the kind Audi, the way they carry Audi when they pass, they go load inside the motor with plantain. Load down inside the plantain. Even the passenger there for front, they go still load plantain, join the person.
They're not pass road safety.
Wait first now. Wait now.
For road safety.
When you wait now, they go load down like that. They go load the top.
Yes.
I asked one day, say, Oga, this motor, how far now? Now you guys motor say, no, now Oga get her. I said, now your motor, now that they load like this, Audi, you go like am. Now then for blame some people, they won't be say the guy on this side. Like the road safety won't be say talk. Because at the office there, now they pass. When they come, they go pass for a car the law there. I been for a car the law there. Now they go pass there, come this side. How did they pass those areas? Why don't they stop them? To ask them the question, why don't they overload this vehicle like that? And that vehicle, is it meant for that kind of this thing?
Oh God, that's what I want me.
You understand? That kind of vehicle, is it meant for that kind of job?
Now load that been a passenger vehicle.
That passenger vehicle.
Passenger vehicle.
But when they tell you now, say you go see the vehicle outside, only one passenger you go see inside.
We'll get the plantain.
We'll get the plantain.
Three of them go even sit down and just drive back.
You understand?
Yes.
Everywhere go just full like that.
Yeah.
The plantain, the back seat go full.
Yes.
The top of the motor go full. They come tie saw.
Yeah.
The motor, the one they go type, where go lock, come and go even lock past the motor itself.
motor
Yes,
itself.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And then the personal safety.
My brother, you know what happened one day for Mission Road? And I they see X-Man, when they like waiting Hillary talk just now, these people get a lot of responsibility. Wait, they're supposed to, they do, they don't do. One man, he load the Audi, load.
With a
Goods for Mission Road. Then, when he done the boot full, up full, the everywhere full.
They call the tire.
The
Tire.
seat,
Tire plenty.
the
Tire
seat
plenty.
for
Tire
flood,
plenty.
is full. You know what this driver can't do
No.
at last? He can't enter inside motor. The small one where he did, he can't tell the co-driver, make he can't load down, put for him.
For a leg. Yeah, I don't see that kind of one. Yeah. They call her for a leg.
No, let from here.
Neck. Now they see front.
Now they see
That kind of person is supposed to dey prison.
My-
When you catch am for that kind of
When I
traffic
see her,
offense.
the lock when I get my big phone, my Android phone done off.
For recorder.
He load, can't reach his chest. Now let then the driver side for windscreen, he low put.
No.
How for God's sake?
That means you don't go fit see this
money.
side. You don't fit see this side now.
No.
So it will not bring us to when government set up agency like the traffic management agency SMANA for you. Wetin you do to make sure say their work dey effective?
And if they don't do their work well, what do you do
Wetin you do
to punish people when they
punish
side?
people wey no do their work well? Look at me now. Any motor just beat traffic once they hold am. Towing van don come now.
Yeah.
Oh, tow am to office. Agreed, I don't get issue with that. But traffic light beating is not the only traffic offense.
That they should
That
expand.
you should expand
They should spread their
to
tentacles.
be catching people.
When they do other traffic related offenses.
Thomas, stand
Overloading.
for road. Count 10 vehicles. Wait pass. Few, 10, 8. You'll see 4 for their hand. You'll see 4 for their hand. What they not do now, they put the phone on speaker. Just hold on to their face like this, they drive. Oh God,
You always surprise now video call they do.
that is an offense. But S-Man, what they know.
That's my road safety.
And God, lead road safety.
Lead road safety.
Federal road safety.
They are
But
living
then
on past
anything
glory.
they like, they want to do for the states. As I said, the governor of the state not get right to talk to them or to do something for them to do effective. May we leave road safety.
It's okay.
To domesticate them.
Okay, no problem. So what did they be say?
Quickly. I go Lagos early this year. One truck, long truck, after road safety. For those of us who know Lagos, you pass to do beggar. So you don't go into small. One long truck catch fire. That can build all down for them. Thomas! This was around 8 p.m.
For night.
for night. 7 a.m. when I dey comot from the hotel when I stay to go to do beggar for the assignment wey I go for. The trailer was now on the side.
They don't remove
of
am.
the road.
They don't remember.
That's ESMA for you. Because
That's
the
last month for you.
That's last month for you. Because the government of that state don't provide heavy duty towing truck. Even if na ship, cargo ship, na it spoil for road for Lagos.
The fake and
They get the machines to take lift and come up for road.
Okay, I thank you. I thank you so much. I thank you so much, but make you no forget, say on Sunday here, on Sunday, one trailer when carry diesel, it fall across the road. Okay. Before that church, before Uniben Junction, it fall across the road. You understand? So even one of my colleague, Esther, he will call me say, yes, see you. This is what we do. One of my sister programs they call People Talk to People. You understand? He call us, say, see you, see what he did. But I'll tell you, just like you talk about this thing, we will still give small to ESMA. Okay. Because for me, we call ESMA, call the rest of them. They can't tell us how they take make effort. Congo bring vehicle. From where? From Pegasus. Because now one of wait, listen now. You are not even listening.
No, they get one.
I'm not talking. Now they listen.
Now the way you say look me, they bring vehicle come for Pegasus. When they bring account, they can't transload the products. Because if you fall across the road, don't they leak. People they go the scoop. Because now diesel, now be the lock when they get now petrol. Boom, you know. And so they come bring and they come pack this thing come out. Inside. Come transload them. Transload them finish. They come out. That's a night. They remove that thing. The man tell me say before they will try before daybreak they go remove it. And they remove that before 11 o'clock in the night. Then it's to Larry Egbe because I was in constant touch with him.
Did they take your call?
They take my call.
They take my call. They take call.
I was in constant touch with him. What did they happen? I call some other people for that place. What did they happen? I see they tell me say CB. So I go commend them for that one. Just as you take top because that example, that for instance example when you give for that Lagos, that remind me of this one. Now last Sunday here.
Maybe if the man they watch us now, may they make sure say all these people. Because I don't talk now, especially the one with the Apple for Mission Road. These people overload will not be a traffic offense.
Not traffic offense. We will come to that one now. I beg. Time no be our friend again. More quick look this last matter when we say they for our hand here. And the matter when we say yes, say concern some communities them when they for Edo Central local, Etsako Central local government area and another area too. For Edo North senatorial district, especially that area. We don't hear now say river, it don't overflow. Don't overflow, you see am. Sote, this na land where we say people they go farm and the rest. Now boat that they use now. It affect places like Agbazi, Ofukbo, Osumegbe, Anegbete, Udochi, Ekperi, Ifeku, all of them, he did there now to the talk. That people they would fear, especially for Anegbete. If you look that place now. All this one, so see road though. You see road? All this now farm. You see, this now main road when we say yes, they build. And they tell us say yes, the only thing when they see the spoil road, now be water, and water, those three things. Now see the roads here now. See this all this now farm, where people they stay. You go say and say, look beyond on our houses. You they see there so now. When we say yes, they don't enter inside. They don't go there. Anegbete, Udochi, Ekperi, Osumegbe, Ofukbo, Agbazi, Ifeku, all of them. Now be that. You go show so many people. You go see person when you say yes, he will go farm. The person will try. You understand? We go see him just now. After this picture, we show that picture. Make you see him. Make you know what he say yes, it they happen. So we go tell ourselves say yes, you see him. These are people that when we see yes, they go farm. They go, they carry, what is they call and see now house you see now red roof they see there so.
I don't see.
Just as the houses now be just be that one so. When we say yes, the houses don't carry, we go see some others when we say school day and everything, one after the other. I want to beg. It don't reach time. See, this is a house.
Story building.
Story building might be this one so. What is that? This is story building might be this one so. I want you see. You see what you see so. And I saw this thing, the business now almost the same thing happened in the year 2012. You say this now primary school. 9 days so. So we go beg everybody, people that want to say a day. Even our people want to do for that area, may they relocate too. For now, since the BC government never get what they want to do for them, may they go higher grounds. Higher ground, they say we are dry. This one, a person where they not build that.
They come out their house.
This one,
they carry their house go higher ground.
No, they go come up for there.
Yes, now see the root Gary so now.
You see him now? That Gary now.
I carry the root so.
You see him?
Yeah.
They would they wash her there. As the carry say they wash her too. You see her, put her inside. So the whole thing just get as it be.
My brother Thomas. The same parable again. Now meat, wey dem no know how to eat, na dem no know how to push am. Oh, you see, that 7 or 9 communities wey you mentioned also.
Yeah.
No one wey I never visit. And I dey dey careful to dey talk about any sea erosion or water. Whether e overflow from river bank o, whether na Cameroon open their dam o. Na so effect dey be.
No be say effect dey be.
Na today Cameroon start to dey open their dam? No. Na today River Niger start to dey flow pass im bank? No. So that means na human nature, na human error, government quietness. You see, we wey dey this side now, we dey complain of drainages. This one na not be blockade of drainage o.
No.
This one na be blockade of drainage o. This one na either rivers wey need dredging at a certain area. Na complete dredging because e no be like this.
See, when I grow, wait, when I that area too, where we see the talk so, you see, you get the river where we say it pass for a while, when it pass on better. They call the river Alika.
Alika River.
Yes, okay. Because now there it pass. I don't see people they come up for how they go they fish. That's why they talk and say, person where river they close to a house, no they get water for her. Because if you know water, just go there go. Most of the when they find better there. They want to get fish for house.
Storage.
No, once they want cook food like this, they'll just go.
River too.
I'm telling you, collect water, take cook, or go river, catch fish,
take cook.
You understand? That place where you pass that Alika River, you pass and go, you go jam Igbira people, Kogi.
Yes.
Because that river is
yes,
separated. But they tell you now, say, when they see dry people, they take leg the waka. Okay. Go. Why? Because you see all this seated up. The dredging, when you talk just now, they don't dredge.
The same thing when they happen to Ikpoba River now.
Now be that one too.
Slow.
Yes.
So a government will do 4 years as a governor. You will not consider dredging of rivers in your state.
What about the country?
No, leave how you say those states?
Even Ogba, you not say Ogba
no,
River.
leave
You not say Ogba River now.
Wait first now. I better know the Abuja you talk.
See Oga.
You say it. Whether I better know the Abuja.
I say you say in the country. Now they bring country matter enter. We just dey domesticate this discourse to let we governor know say people water don sack them from their house. You say make dem go higher ground. That's highland. Abi they go carry their house go highland.
They no go carry am.
Until they don drop them now. They are now homeless.
Yes.
They are now homeless. When the primary purpose of government is to secure lives and properties of your citizen. To secure lives and property of your citizen involve also doing dredging of rivers around your state on a regular basis. If you know they do all these things, if you say you don't be government wey put hand for leg, you dey allow things dey spoil for your eye. I think we don dey cry since. We don dey cry Ikpoba. Then they complain. Na people wey dey throw plastic for river. Na people wey dey throw dirty for their area. We never see anyone for prison. Una never fit devise means to set up task force to dey cash people. If you throw dirty for gutter, you will go prison for 6 months without option of fine. We never see all those ones dey materialize. That Boba River now, it go continue to block as all the river wey dey Ikpeke. How do you call am Ikpeke River?
I no call Ikpeke River.
Wetin you call am? Alika. Okay.
Wey pass Anegbete.
Alika River wey pass inside Anegbete. I no go there o. I know now say grass must grow. Rain go fall, erosion must sweep sansan. Not there. All those ones na dey make river dey full. Once sansan don dey grow for river dey come up, grass don dey grow dey tiny the easy flow of water for the river. Where go flow go? Not be lower land. And you will build house for that area now. You get sea of O. You no get house again.
No, now you know get seasonal house.
Seasonal house. When dry season come, now you go not that thing. I hear. But rainy season must occur on a yearly basis.
But one of that thing,
continue like this.
One of that thing when we say yes, we go no. We say no matter what is happening, dredging is very, very important. You understand? Dredging is very, very important. The federal government, the state government, they have to do something, about it. Like the communities when we say I call just now, I get the list here, even more than, but I get 7 here now. I call Agbazi, I call Ofukbo, I call Somegbe, I call Anegbete, I call Oduchi, I call Ekperi, Ekperu Daba, I call Ifeku. You understand? All these are areas they won't be easy. All these people be see they look so, my brother. Now let people say they were capable this place. Now land, pass so. That if you put that thing for ground, now you start saying you go side. You get where we say you go reach. Now land, now be all of this place when you carry canoe they pass so. When the river don't recede, this now waiting be say they happen for Anegbete, they happen for Odochi, they happen for Osomegbe, they happen for Ifeku, they happen for Ekperi.
Zero.
You see them now. All these are places when people they pass. I look this road when we say it pass. I they look this road now. This road now. What do they call it? The road when we say yes, say they for. Oh, I don't forget the name of this road. I go remember the name of the road. You understand? Upekole. Yeah. Okay. Now Upeko. Now this like pass so. Upekole. Now this one. Now this road pass console.
The river where they talk so. Is it not possible say like this thing will be like say they happen every year too? They don't fit channel. This thing go inside that.
Okay, not be erosion.
I don't understand.
Now the
one way full for river and I come.
River overflow.
Now the one come for river and I come. Where the water and go?
No, okay.
Where the water and go?
And the same river now they talk say it parks the community where they talk.
Yes,
all channel.
Now river Niger.
Now river Niger is.
Now it pass they go. Now the main river, now river Niger. But when you reach a village, you give a name.
You give a name now.
Where this village, you give a name.
Okay.
So they call it Alika for Anegbete.
Okay.
For your place, not be Ogba, you call that place. Yeah, that road, that river, not be only that Ogba there.
No,
you get where cross they go.
Like Boba connection now.
You understand? So if you go where you for go that side.
This place, they even jump Coco Sef.
You understand?
So if
you reach there now, they'll still give you your name.
Yes. If you pass Obadan, you get Obadan river.
Now so.
As you pass Ogbana, they get Ogba river.
Now be the
this one now, you pass Boba, they get Boba river. So what did they? You see. This one na example may you not think say you know reach your tongue as we dey talk all this one now. I ask before na so if they do they come someone say no because na there e grow na that area e grow na that area e grow if you no dey be like this before that means wetin don change na time say things must enter river grass must grow. What they call water hyacinth. When does
water hyacinth?
Water
hyacinth.
Okay, water hyacinth. Anyhow you talk now.
That
grass grow for river. You block the easy flow
of water.
So what the government when they quick they think, government will get concern for your people. Government when they show say yes. The reason why we come government now make we better the lives. See red roof there.
Now, person has
how they do red roof this kind of time. So for person to fit this kind of house for village, you know how much? You don't condemn now until dry season before you go park enter the house. Then all the house go dey smell
for some time.
Water.
See, 6-story building.
6-story building. Now compared to build this kind of house for village, you think say na small money. More than they spoil the money of people because una no want do money not dey.
It's okay, time.
Money to do una own you go dey. Government should go and deseat that river.
No, not be the city. We are dredge the river.
So, yes, dredge, yes. River dredging.
Now they need.
And I also use opportunity to call those state government. Because the one way happen this and now federal government will come when they go dredge river Niger. When they don't first start sometime ago.
They can't abandon.
How many years during good law first tenure?
People
of masses just say. To do the thing for masses go be problem to una. Passenger come up for office before he knows say hold up the day. Otta. Say hold up the day.
That's where they come up for.
Say now some people they suffer this thing. So for 8 years you be president, you don't know say na so people.
No,
you see people
helicopter they go
up and down. You see, Ikpoba River is calling for attention of Edo State government. I don't know what it did the way not let them dredge you. They never let us know what it did the way. You know them because we can't know say some time ago.
Yeah.
I don't want to dwell on it. All those things not they can't when government ready to work. When government ready to work for the people, all those things not they can't. Don't ever bring it. As law not know which will keep person. Now so government supposed not they know all those things.
It's okay.
Clear the river for the comfort of the people.
Okay. So if time not be our friend again, I hear we say we go draw the line, but we will let other people know say all those communities when we say they for that area, especially for Etsako Central local government area for Edo North Senatorial District. May they go check them. Water don't enter that place, don't they disturb them. Agbazi did there, Otukpo did there, Ofukpo did there, sorry. Osomegbe did there, Anegbete did there, Odochi did there, Ekperi did there, Ifeku did there, and some other communities there when basically water don't affect. Anegbete they put on the cost since the thing gas to be, Ekperi people the cost since the gas to be. All of them they call, but like go beg una, don't already start, make una come out there. Edo State government go beg una, make una do now fit do. When I go dredge the river, if na know the meaning of dredging, when I pack the sand when this I pack the comot, so that it go wide, so that go get where it go pass. Because my people fit don't know the meaning of dredging, and maybe maybe they pack and come on. I don't know. Maybe they pack and come out.
Economic benefit to it.
That is those sands. You go sell them.
You sell them for builders.
That's all.
You are just doing, just sit there in one place. 1 month end, you collect salary. If you pay wage,
it's okay. Victor Rio, we thank you.
They spoil, they follow us.
It's okay. We thank our people. We thank our people that won't be part of the program. All of them will be taking the time to watch us today. God bless you now.